What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, and I done had some long 2 weeks. And basically, I done left my nest, man. I done moved to New Orleans. I recently just had a son, so that's the reason for the move. And I want to take you guys along with me on this journey, because I'm in y'all shoes now. All you people comments like how it is for a barber just starting off, like what I need to do and all this. I'm finna show y'all, because I'm in y'all shoes right now. I'm in another city. I don't know not one male person that get a haircut, so I'm starting from the bottom just like y'all. I am gonna be as transparent as I can about my situation as far as like gaining clientele, what I'm doing, all type of stuff. Of course, hopefully this YouTube help bring me some clients, so I can, man, it's gonna be a whole lot of videos on the way, especially because I'm gonna be cutting number new people, and I'm also trying to promote myself in another city. Yeah, man, it's gonna be lit. I appreciate everybody for watching. Let's do it, man. I got this, y'all got this. Let's go.
I got Mikey with me for sure.
Let's go. Got my confidence up, I got SliceGod Noah. He got me shining like mineral oil. Put me in the dough with them, my Tyson boys. Let's go. Looking like I just won an award. The way that I'm chop, I should go out on tour. I did it by myself like an entrepreneur. I know that she bad, that's the reason she spoiled. She liking me cause I'm chopped up by Noah.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video. And today I got my guy Tyree in the chair. He growing it out, so we just getting a mid taper on the sides and the back. Right now we combing it out, and then we're gonna sit in this bald guideline for our taper. Now we're going in, sitting in our second guideline with the lever open on our Babyless FX clippers. We're sitting it in like a 1/2 inch wide, and we're working our way down. Now for the third guideline, we got our number 1 guard with the lever fully open, and we stacking it right on top of where we just left off. Also doing this guideline about a 1/2 inch wide, and we're working our way down once again. And for the people that don't know what working your way down means within a guideline, it's basically closing the lever little by little until you reach the bottom of that guideline, not the full taper, just that guideline that you just created. There was the last guideline, no more guidelines. I got my number 2 guard on now, and I'm flicking out, not trying to sit in the hard line or guideline. I'm flicking out, trying to blend it in with the hair on top with the longer length. Now I got on my 1.5 guard, and I'm smoothing out this taper area before I go against it. Now I'm going against it, against the grain, and I'm connecting that number 1 guard area and the number 2 guard that I just flicked into the longer hair. And it might not get all the way there, especially with his hair texture, but that's where my finesse is coming in right now with the lever open. And I'm gonna finesse this taper all the way through. I'm taking out all the dark spots, any lines I see, all of it gonna come to fruition. So y'all just watch and learn. Now for the back taper, it's literally the same steps, like literally, it's just a bigger workspace. So you do the same steps and you'll get the same results. But I wanted to talk to you guys about my situation, go more in depth. Like I said, I done moved to New Orleans, so any of my YouTube subscribers or anybody watching this video in the New Orleans area, DM me for a cut so I can get you on the YouTube channel eventually. And I can book you an appointment. You can be a part of my clientele, because I really wasn't accepting new clients when I was in Memphis because I was fully booked. I already had clientele, and adding more people then was like taken away from the clients I already had, would have made them not have spots and stuff like that. So that's the reason. But now I'm accepting anybody. You see what I'm saying? I need anybody in the chair right now so I can build my clientele, build who I want to keep in my clientele, all this stuff. So you can either DM me. I might have a booking link in my Instagram. Go follow me on there and keep y'all updated on what's going on. And like I said, I just had a son. That's the reason why I had to move to New Orleans. I didn't have to. Well, yeah, I mean, it just made sense. So that's why I did it. And man, I hate to leave my clients, all my clients back at home. Even though I'm be coming back, chopping them, not frequently, but whenever I get the chance to. I know I'm gonna be going back home a lot, so I'm gonna be still chopping them up when I can. But just, I don't know, I already got text messages. My client, he finna go out of town. He had to go ahead, because I'm not in the city right now, so he had to go ahead and let somebody else chop him. He already saying they don't hit the same at all. Like, I literally got the text message. I would put it up here, but yeah, this shit crazy, bro. By the way, I recorded this tutorial last week when I was still in Memphis, so this not at the new shop or in New Orleans at all. But right now, I'm tapering down my client's edge up with the 1.5 guard, then I'll come back behind it with the 1 guard. And as you can see, my client hairs grow down further on his head toward the sides before you even get to the end of the eyebrows. So you definitely want to have to do some construction and get them right to us the professional way, the SliceGod way. So what I did first was sit in the vertical bars on both sides, and then I also did the curve. And it basically helps you bridge everything else across and get it symmetrical as possible, because you already got the curves locked in and you got the vertical bars. As long as you got those even on each side, you just do the same thing you did on the other side when you coming across. So you start in the middle, work your way to one side, and then you work your way to the other side. And it should be as symmetrical as possible. Now you might have your instances where your client might have indentions in their head, and you might have to make an adjustment to the line to make it appear to be straight. But other than that, it's this simple, bro. Exactly what I said. And for this hair that's coming down on the sides, I would not consider this a pushback. I would consider this not being ignorant. Because if I was to line this hairline up as it naturally grows, it would look like some upside down mountains. And that's not what we're looking for. And if you feel like I did anything wrong, you was not a real barber. Now for the enhancements, I'm going in with my airbrush with the Kiss Express and alcohol mix in it, and I'm lightly spraying it, just basically giving it a base. As you can see, my client had a light spot in the middle of his hairline. Then I'm gonna come behind it and make a round with the hair fibers to fill in and quiet down that shiny look from the Kiss Express. It's gonna give off that more mattish look and a fuller look. Now we filling in with the hair fibers.
hairspray to lock those fibers in. Then we're gonna go back in with our Mike Tyson boys. We're gonna re-crispify this lineup. Always go back over your lineup after you lock in the fibers with the hairspray. It just give off that sharp look, like it just make it super crispy. Get that light ash line, a very clean, neat look. It make a huge difference, and it don't take nothing but like 30 seconds. So make sure y'all doing it for sure. Just putting the finishing touches on the haircut. I appreciate everybody for watching. It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. In the comment section, let me know what you thought about this cut. I'm gone. Slack.
Indians, bro. Yeah,
Mama had been new the whole potential.
nah, but that's the school rule, though, guy. She went to city. No, I'm talking about when I met her at city. She wanted big clothes at city. Big ass clothes.